Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this quilling doll. So there are 4 different parts of this doll. This is the face part, this is the dress, shoes and the back part, hairs, okay, and hands and legs. So let's get started. First we will make the face. So for that we have to take 5 mm quilling strip, skin color I have used. This is 5 mm quilling strip. So you have to attach 6 quilling strips. You have to attach one end of the strip with the other, like this. You need to use Fevicol for attaching the strips. Like this, attach one strip over. So same way you have to attach 6 strips. Attach 6 to 7 strips, depends on the size of the face you want. Here I have attached 7 strips. This is the quilling needle used for rolling. So you have to start from one end and start rolling like this. So now see, you can see this is a tight coil. This tight coil is finished. So we'll seal the end using Fevicol. So now this is the front part of the face. So once this is done, you need to push it from inside to make a small dome like this. Like this. This is the back part. This is the front part. Once you are done, you need to apply Fevicol inside the dome. Keep it aside for drying. Now we'll do the back part. This is, I have used black color strip. Again you have to take 7 strips, black color 5 mm. You can take according to the size of your doll, size of the doll. So here again I'll attach 7 strips. Okay, now this is done. Now the back part of this is over. Now this also will make a small dome like this. Now we'll attach the front and the back part. So now the head part is over. Now for the neck, I have rolled half quilling strip. I made a tight coil using half quilling strip, skin color. So this will fix for the neck. Just see the center and now it will look like this. Okay. Now we'll make the body part. So for that I have taken blue color strip. So for this you have to roll, you have to make a cone shape like this. So for this you have to roll 14 strips of this color. So we attach 14 strips and then we'll start rolling. Okay, now this tight coil is ready, made using 14 strips. Now we'll push the coil from inside and make a cone shape. You have to be very careful while making this cone, because if it opens you need to roll the strips again. Okay, slowly push the coil from inside with your fingers and make a cone shape. Like this. Okay. Now this will be the dress part for the doll. Now once this is over, we'll apply Fevicol inside the cone. This is used for making the coil intact, so that it doesn't open. So once the Fevicol dries, then you need to do the next step. Now we'll attach the body with the head part. These two will attach. Okay. Hold like this and just press and hold for some time till it sticks. We'll just keep it aside till it sticks. Okay. Now we'll make the leg part. So for that you need to make a tight coil using half quilling strip of black color like this. This is the leg part. Take a single quilling strip, black color 5 mm, make a tight coil. Like this is one coil. Similarly, I have made 3 more coils. So attach 2 coils like this. 2 coils and other 2 coils to make the legs or pant, whichever you can do. You can use skin color also or black color, it's your choice. Like this, stick 2 coils. And keep it aside for drying. Now we'll make the shoes. So this is the shape of the shoes. This is a teardrop shape. You can see here, teardrop. So this is also done using a single quilling strip, black color. First make a loose coil and then we have to pinch one end to make the teardrop shape. Okay, now these are the shoes are ready. Now we'll stick this like this. Now this is ready. The shoes and the legs part is ready. Now here we need to attach cardboard below the doll like this. Here this part you need to attach a cardboard like this to fix the shoes. Just cut it exactly the same shape as your doll and then you need to fix it. Like this. Just leave it aside for drying and then you can attach the shoes. Like this. If it doesn't fix immediately, you just need to wait for some time, then it will stick properly. Like this, you can see here. Now we'll make the sleeve and the hands of the doll. For the sleeve, you have to take half quilling strip, blue color, make a tight coil first. And then you need to push it from inside to make a small cone. You can take a brush, use the back part of the brush and push from inside like this. Be careful, the coil should not open, and once you are done, it look like this. This is the sleeve. If you want a short sleeve, you can stop till here. If you want a longer sleeve, you can pull it still more like this. So same way you need to make 2 sleeves like this, and for the hands also same way you need to take a skin color half quilling strip, again roll it similar way. Same way push this from inside like this. And at the end you need to just bend a little so that it will look like this. Okay, so I have made here 2. So these are the hands and the sleeve. Attach both like this using Fevicol. Hands with the sleeve, just attach like this. One more also like this. See, you can see these both the sleeves are attached, hands and the sleeve, just you can see here. Okay, now once the doll dries, we'll just stick this to the doll. We'll keep it aside. Now these parts are stuck. Now we'll stick the sleeve and the hands. Just apply Fevicol with one end and stick the hand like this. Like this, you can see. See, one end I have stuck, it look like this. Same way, I attach the other hand. Just press for a few seconds, it will stick. Okay. Now this is stuck. Now we have cut small strips, black color strips like this for the hairs of the doll. Just you have to stick this behind the doll like this here. Here you have to stick the hairs. If you want long hairs, you can use long strips. If you want short hairs, you can use short strips. So just apply Fevicol behind the head like this. Like this. Okay, and attach the strips behind. I'll just stick all the strips and I'll show you. See, now stuck all the parts. Now this is ready. Now we'll draw the facial features for the doll. You can use black sketch pen or any marker, permanent marker if you have, and draw the eyes and lips. Now I'll draw the eyes. A similar way, I have made some more dolls. You can just have a look. This is a different pattern. You can make the hairs using 2 teardrop shape for the ponytail, and this is one more type of doll, quilling doll. You can also make a bigger doll using more number of strips. As you can see here, this is a bigger doll. So this is around 5.5 inch doll. So different size doll you can make using quilling like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.